Good evening, my friends, and welcome back to the Watch Wendigo YouTube channel. Today, I have a package from Gecko Customs. I'm pretty excited about this because I know what's in this box, and I got a little inside joke going on with my girlfriend. Probably an unnecessary story, but I have kind of coarse hands. You know, I work with my hands a lot for a living, and so I've got a lot of calluses and very pronounced fingerprints, I guess would be the way to put it. And so she always jokes around that my hands are sticky, or that they grab things like a lizard. And as soon as she saw me watching a video about a Gecko Customs knife, she said, "Oh, look, a lizard knife for my lizard boy." And that was it. It was on. I knew I had to have one at that point. If nothing else, for the inside joke, I found it really funny. But then I discovered this model, and I actually really liked it because it has a lot of things that I enjoy, like a blade steel that I like. I've recently been finding myself drawn towards things with a little more color involved. So anyways, let's go ahead and get this box open. Today the unboxing knife is the Drop Bear Zero. Let's go ahead and get this package open. Because I am really excited to see this thing. Alright, is that it? Nope, that's not it. Is this box Wendigo proof? Maybe? Oh, no, I'm just retarded. There we go. And there it is, a box from Gecko Customs Knifeworks. Let's get this guy open. There we go. Ooh, a patch. It's been a while since I've gotten a patch out of a package, so that's pretty cool. That's going straight on the headliner of my car with the rest of my patch collection. Cool little microfiber. I enjoy that. So here is the version that I ordered. And a cool little Gecko Customs sticker. That is pretty. So I ordered the rocked textured Tokay color of the Pictus XL. So this guy is in S90V. Wow, that's very pretty. I'm already pretty satisfied with that. Centering is good. That's got a pretty nice action on it. It's very smooth. Let's see if I can get this front flipper. Oh, just barely. Let's try again. I can do better than that. Yeah, well, I'm not very good with front flippers, but you guys know that. You know how I feel about front flippers. It works just fine with the thumb. Let's see, I can get this. There we go. That's better. Yeah, that's really pretty. How's the edge on it? That's pretty good. Pretty smooth. I think I personally would have liked a very slightly heavier detent. But the action is very smooth. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Let's get something to cut with it. try that edge out. Oh, come on now. Oh yeah. Very good. This paper is really thin, and it's just easy to mess up a cut with this paper. But it has a very nice edge on it. It's very slicey. Let's see if we can get a small little curly cue. Yeah, that's pretty nice. So I believe this guy is S90V. Does it say on it? Of course not. Where'd that card go? Yeah, S90V. The date of birth of this guy was 2026, so it's very new. And does it say that that is number 1 of 50? It does say that. Whoa. Does it say that anywhere on the knife? I like when knives are serialized. S90V. No, it doesn't appear to say it anywhere on the knife, but that's really cool that this apparently is number 1 of the batch of 50. So I don't know how big of a deal that is. Let's see, can I do the reach around? No, I can't. Can't do it. Well, I ain't gonna feel too bad about that. I've never been very good with front flippers. They're not particularly my cup of tea, but I know lots of people enjoy them, and that's fine because the primary way that I deploy my knives is reverse flick, so that opening hole works just fine for that. Of course, it works fine to slow wheel it out. I really enjoy that color pattern. Anyways, that's going to be it for today, guys. It's just an unboxing video. It's not a review or an overview or anything like that. This is definitely something that I'm going to carry and use, so you will get a full review in the very near future. Yeah, that texture is good, and that color is pretty. Steel that I love, grind that I love, and pretty aggressive. Let's see. It's got some belly to it, so I'm not going to call it a worn cliff. Reverse Tonto? Yeah, I think so. Well, that's it for today, my friends. Thank you for my time. Your time, not my time. This is my hobby, so I enjoy doing this. Thank you for your time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the bell button so you get notified when I post new videos. We got a couple different projects coming up that I'm excited about. So, have a good night. Wendigo, signing off.